heard this story about a group of tourists who were searching for Western heroes? Come on, baby. And they got a little off track.
We're sunk.
Luckily, their hero found them.
Guarda!
The legendary Ford F-150.
Che recupera! Looks like you could use a hand.
With an available 5.4-liter Titan V8 that delivers more pulling power than Dodge or Chevy. Now there's a happy ending. Ford F-Series. Built Ford tough.
Go, mate. That's not good. Come on, call him. Scotty! No, thanks, guys. Dropped out. Pull up alongside.
Test drive the Nissan NP 300 Navara with 3.5-ton brake towing capacity.
Look it out.
Powerful, made clever.
Yeah, hey, mate.
I think you might have dropped something.
You're in second? You gotta put it in second, right?
Now make sure you drop the clutch. Yeah, you gotta drop the clutch.
That's right. With a class-leading 550 newton metres of torque, the Nissan Navara is still Australia's most powerful tradie.
That was close.
What are they looking at? Nissan Navara, still South Africa's most powerful bakkie. Nissan, innovation that excites.
It's gonna be rocky, daunting, and unforgiving. But you're gonna love every minute. With an epic 3-ton towing. Ford Everest, not just another 4-wheel drive.
These mortals have awakened the gods of old. We rise from our slumber.